Do you have any banana in your fridge? Then try this recipe, perfect for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. For this recipe, we're gonna need only one banana. Peel it. Now smash it using a fork until it turns into a puree. For this recipe, the rawer the banana, the better. Put the banana puree aside. Now, in a bowl, add 1 egg and beat it with a whip. Take a moment to write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally send you a big kiss. Add the banana in the bowl. Then 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix well. You can add more or less sugar as the banana is very sweet. I put 3 to increase the flavor. Now add 3 tablespoons of flour. Sift them to help you during the kneading. You can change the flour for wholemeal flour or oat. It's lighter and gets as delicious as this one. Mix well. Then finally, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix lightly. I have a heated grill. Grease it with butter on both sides. If you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and write in the comments, "I love breakfast." Add half of the dough and spread it on the grill. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top. Then close the grill and leave it to cook for 7 minutes. And our recipe is done. It's just perfect. I really hope you liked the recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.